Welcome to the second lecture of the week, Alcoholism and Alcohol Abuse Part 2, Chapter 12, Lesson 4. For those of you that weren't here, that might have showed up late, I am also sending you the slides via Google Classroom, so be on the lookout for that. If you get some kind of alert, you have the notes in case you missed, okay? So let's get right into it. Okay. We're going to talk about the stages of alcoholism. There is a lot of information, but if you write them down, you will have all the information that you need. Okay. So stage 1, people are surprised by how much they can drink. Okay. For example, they drink to relax or relief from stress. Okay. They drink to get relief from stress. They look for opportunities to drink, and there is a gradual increase in tolerance. And remember, we talked about last lecture, tolerance is basically giving your body more of something so like that it gets the same effect, because as you put something in your body gets used to it and you don't have that same effect anymore, so you have to drink or you have to take more of whatever it is you're taking, so your body has the same effect. Okay, that is tolerance. Stage 2, the person has short-term memory loss and blackouts. Okay, they may say or do hurtful things. They could sneak extra drinks and feel guilty about it, and they make excuses for drinking. So, excuse me. So stage 2, they're kind of they're kind of losing control a little bit of what they're doing, what they're saying. Okay. Stage 3, the person loses control and can't predict what will happen. Okay, they make and don't keep promises. Their only interest is alcohol. They avoid family and friends. They end up they could have troubles with money, work, or even the law. And it's the beginning of severe physical problems. Okay, they get to a point where they can't. They have basically lost control. They don't. They start getting into all different.
Attention, teachers and students. Attention, teachers and students. We would like to announce our February Student of the Month.
Student of the Month.
Starting with preschool.
Okay.
Iker Madrigal.
We'll just keep going. Okay. Stage 4, the person only wants to drink.
First grade, Christopher Stock. Second grade.
All right, there we go. Sorry about that. Stage 4, the person only wants to drink, and drinking can go all day. Okay. They have long periods of being intoxicated or drunk all the time. They have strange or unreasonable fears. They have faulty thinking or hallucinations. And malnutrition is caused by not eating properly. So basically, they're drinking way too much, so their body is not getting the nutrition that it needs. And sometimes because that's all they want to do. All they want to do is drink. They don't care to eat or anything. That could be an issue also. They're not getting the nutrition from food that they need. So by stage 4, it's pretty bad. They're starting to make up situations or things that aren't really happening. They're making up fears, or no, that's kind of crazy. That's kind of not possible fears. Okay. By stage 4, it's gotten pretty bad. Okay. Costs to the family. Okay, friends and family of an alcoholic are in denial that there is a problem. Okay, this is costs to the family of being an alcoholic. Okay, enablers are persons who create a space where the alcoholic can continue their unacceptable behavior. Okay, they make excuses or lie for someone with the problem. Okay, so they don't want to admit that there's an issue. They, instead of helping them get help to stop whatever harmful thing they're doing, they actually are making it worse because they're not acknowledging that there's an issue. They're also not drawing a line and saying, no, I'm not helping you. Okay, they continue to help. Okay, the alcoholic looks to the enabler over and over again for help, which can keep the alcoholic from getting better. So like I said, because the person with the issue knows that the enabler is going to help them continually, they will keep going to that person because they know they're going to get what they need from them. Okay. Alcohol abuse. Okay, just a few more things about things that could happen if you abuse alcohol. Okay, you failed to fulfill major work, school, or home responsibilities. Okay, those responsibilities don't matter. You drink in situations that are physically dangerous. Okay, drunk driving or riding in a car driven by someone who is drunk. You have ongoing alcohol-related legal problems. Okay, you could get arrested for driving while under the influence, or you could physically hurt someone while drunk. Okay, how we talked about in the last couple lectures. You can be a happy, chill drunk, or you could be a violent, mean drunk. Okay, so it just depends on the person. Continuing to drink, and you continue to drink even when relationships have been negatively affected by someone's use of alcohol. So even though you know that using alcohol is affecting a relationship negatively, you still use it. It doesn't matter. So that could actually ruin relationships. So friendships, relationships, whatever it is with family. So again, a few things to keep in mind. Okay, that's all I have for today. Thank you so much for your time. Make sure that you are taking the notes. So like that, you can have the answers for the quiz tomorrow. Most of you will be in class, so hoping to see you there so that you can be sure to take the quiz. Make sure to take your time, please take your time, and I will see you next week.